Hi everyone, I am Dr. Sudakshina and I am the Training Center Chief of Chettinad Simulation and Skill Center. And today we are having a program over here and it is on virtual simulation, which is the future. And we have some modules in virtual simulation. We have gone, students, the PG students came and they went through, the faculty came and they went through and they had a hands-on experience. And with us, I have our postgraduate who is a medicine final year postgraduate, Dr. Raiz, right? And he had an experience with the virtual simulation just now. He did an ECG and how to record the ECG. He learned it through virtual simulation on virtual reality on a virtual patient, right?
Yes,
and how was your experience, Raiz? How did you feel while doing that? How placing the leads and everything, how you did it?
This was a good experience. Actually, first time I am doing this VR technique. It's actually good as we are doing in the clinical side. We are feeling all the lead placement. Everything is actually
quite same, like
same,
physically.
Same. Yes,
how he is doing on physical patients, like in his medicine casualty and also emergency, and how he does it. He feels that it was same, and without a patient, it was completely in the virtual, like reality scenario, right?
Yes,
it was quite close to real time scenario. You felt, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so how do you feel that? How will your youngsters like you will take up this virtual simulation medicine forward? Do you think it is nice to have this?
Probably youngsters will be very easy on this thing.
Yes.
They'll be doing this VR games and they'll be having easy hands on it.
Yes, and they are kind of more advanced than our generation, previous generation, if you say, because as you said that they are very much into video games and all, so they are getting the switches and the orientation much more faster. The hand-eye coordination they are getting very fast.
Yes, ma'am.
Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So how did you feel the software was? You completely went into it, right? You didn't even feel that you are in this lab.
Yes,
you are completely into that patient chamber where you are handling the patient.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. It was a good experience. Actually.
It was a bedside.
Yes, ma'am.
It was a bedside
Totally
experience.
bedside, ma'am.
Totally bedside, that's what. So I think our postgraduate Rajesh is extremely impressed with the virtual simulation, what we showed him today, and he got a experience hands-on. So we want all of you postgraduates come down and have an experience today and tomorrow. We are here to show this, have this workshop.
Sure,
right?
Everyone should attend, ma'am.
Everyone should attend, yes, because this is the future, because tomorrow you may have to do it. So thank you very much, Dr. Raiz.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you so much.